Here we've got the 2024 paper 2 question 4 part A. So the circle K here has equation x minus 5 to be squared plus y plus 3 to be squared is equal to 25. So x minus h to be squared plus y minus k to be squared is equal to r squared, and I always told you make sure you match up. So when you go to match up here, you've got minus h matching up with minus 5, so make sure you do that. Minus h is equal to minus 5, and then you multiply by minus 1, you get h is equal to 5. And similarly over here on the other one, you've got plus 3 here matching up with what looks to be like minus k. So minus k is equal to 3, k then multiplied by minus 1, multiplied by minus 1, minus 3. Of course your coordinate here is h before k for your centre, and that's going to be 5 now minus 3. Your radius here, well, r squared is equal to 25, so r is going to be equal to 5. Moving on to part 2, use algebra to investigate. Point 9.2 is on, inside or outside the circle, so x before y. We have our formula here, x minus 5 is squared plus y plus 3 to be squared is equal to 25. Remember I told you about left hand sides and right hand sides. Running out of time here. Sorry, so we're going to sub in instead of x and sub in instead of y, and we're going to find out what is the story there. We don't know yet. So subbing in instead of x and y is 2, x is 9. We're going to get, if we would calculate quickly there, we're going to 4 squared is 16, 16 plus 5 squared 25, that's going to be 41 I think, which is 41, which is going to be 41 greater than 25. And if that's the case, 41 greater than 25, left hand side greater than the right hand side, it's going to be outside the circle. It's definitely going to be outside, and that is 2024 paper done. Last thing to say there, left hand side less than right hand side, it's inside. Left hand side equal to right hand side, it's on. And the last one is we've done there, left hand side greater than the right hand side, that means it's outside.